Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add documents to HubSpot CRM. Whether you're storing client contracts, proposal files, or important business documentation, being able to upload and organize files directly in HubSpot keeps everything centralized and accessible for your team. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button at the top of the screen. If you already have an account, go ahead and click that. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click on Get Free HubSpot CRM to create an account, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your HubSpot credentials, type in your email address and password, then click the Sign In button. This will take you directly into your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your CRM tools and features. Now that you're signed in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. You'll want to hover your cursor over the option labeled Content. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you several different options from this expanded menu. Select Files. This is the hub where all your uploaded documents live within HubSpot, making it easy to manage and share files across your organization. Once you're in the Files section, you'll notice you have two convenient options for uploading your documents. You can either import files directly from Google Drive if you have them stored there, or you can upload files straight from your computer. For most users, uploading directly from your computer is the quickest route. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the button that says Upload File. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Browse through your files until you locate the document you want to add to HubSpot. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click the Open button. HubSpot will immediately begin uploading your file, and within moments it will appear in your files library, ready to be attached to deals, contacts, or shared with your team members. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.